i loki fifia ho te tano'a i pongpongini ko i programa ini ko i workshop ai POTUNGAUE STATISTIKA a Tonga o whakatamoa ki na wanga o mai a whakafufua ki toko lahi ko ia o kai o Tonga mai na whakafufua ko i hae tu kunga ki he KETU'U ai program ko ia e pongpongini ko i whapalanglangi ko i tarwhakalahi anu sila Matthew Howell kamatai lotu e whakau i sias pisana tawatai na Tonga whakau te vita tapu luelu le tatari e statistika PULE'ANGA leo ko SIONE LOLOHEA pe vai lewa ai lea me he whawharangi tal whakau lai no sila Matthew Howell lea lewa ofa KETU'U statistika no sila whelawe imo e pui tuka ki workshop koe ni pe mono whahuma ko ia mono whawhiloa ki o timi me statistika anu sila le o malo e whai e toko ni statistika leo ko mere tau mo pe au pe a kres lewa e whakau te vita tapo luelu tau ngene ngai programa mau inga bita whapupo koe ki tu tara tau te whito koe ki ngai programa e hanga koe ki langa whalalaka i ka ume ngai tawa ki ke koe ia ai PULE'ANGA ka koe POTUNGAUE ni koe ki au pito ni ki ngai whakapupo koe ia a kia na hanga o mai e ngai toi kakai pe e ngai savea ke he pe nau tolko tau koe ni ko nau tau kei pe ki nau ngai whailonga koe ia i tawa aki whakastatistika e te whito rewa e ngai programa langa mi to lai kakai ko e hai tuunga o ta o kakai na tolo ko matoto ange pe ki na tolo ko ia i loto be ki toto pugi to lai ko ia lolo tonga mo na whakafofu ai ko ka vinga ia e programa ko ni ko na nga o mai whakaofisiare na whakafofu o ko estimate ki to lai pe ki na whakafofu atu ai to ko nga tonga ki KETU'U me to lai o kakai mo e whaunga ko ia kakai whilawe mo e tufu ko ia e ha ngai ta mutoa ta loto alu ko ia ki he to tupu e ke ngai whadafo ko ne programa ko ni pe mo i se sisika ko ia anu sila ke ne na kau a hi na ngai whadamo ki na dole POTUNGAUE STATISTIKA ko ia i Tonga ni e to ki whai mea no whawhiloaki na tola na iange e ofa KETU'U me statistika anu sila ai timi ko ia ko na ulawa mai ki Tonga ni ko ke programa ni kun tola o pito ang na tol me POTUNGAUE pe o ke ka whafe ke pe na i heni pongpongini ko e te ko ia ke kamata workshop ko ni adi da FENGAUE'AKI whadahai pe me he le te oka ma ai live stream ko ia ai Broadcom FM broadcasting ko le ko ia i he pongpong ni o ku hoa pe taha ai programa ko ia ai honi pe ke tau hanga le matu ia ke tau siofia nge koe hai tukunga ko ia ai programa ko ni pe koe na hanga o tuku mai ana whakapofua he taimini pe koe tau mua foki ke nau lama o tuku mai ha whakapofua pe koe estimati whaka ofisiare o whilawe i mo i toko lai ko ia o Tonga ko tau whakafoki ai toi kakai no whakakope ngai toki lama pe hokai toi kakai i tau kun pomari watu pe hoki ke hanga koe ni ke hai nau sio atu ai whakapofua ko i ke KETU'U nau lawe ni nei o mau inga pito ai whika koe ni ko whika whaka ofisiare ni tena honga NGAUE o whilawe i mena o whakapofua ai ngai POTUNGAUE ki nau ngai programa takta ko hai e wesia ko hai e tai maari e mo hanga nau whakapofua ko ia ki tu whaki o e nofo o kai ki ngati pe ki toko lahi ka toko lahi taha i whei ai ngai korohange ko NUKU'ALOFA pe ki pangai honua pe hoki ki neafu i ngai kolo lalai pe mo i toko lahi ko ia hiki mai me ngai motu ki tonga tapuni pe ki nau tolo ku hiki atu ki muri ki nau tolo ku foki mai me muri ko ngai whamatara ko toa ko ia ko e aonga au pito ia pa ko ia au NGAUE ko ia e PULE'ANGA Bengai POTUNGAUE takta e nau estimate ko ia ke pacheti whakatau ia ai ko e whilawe ia a statistika pe mo kakai a whanua ki langa whakalaka, mo langa pe ko ia, ang maheni ko ia ai whanua, i ngai tawa aki kehe. Kau ke to lai na to lok ngawe PULE'ANGA ko ai ku ngawe ki sektor hata ai lo ngai fututu ngai pamatala ko ia na sio ki tu ko ia ki ka o ka ta te fito ni ki lai ngai pore ko ia tau venga ngai mo i te mini hange ko fililu ki ai e ka ka winga lai ta ko kia pe o ka le ngai fika peheni no mau inga yo no wakai i whakaluku fua i mamani ko ai lai o ko sia lai ta tau tu ka so ka fi fo ki tau fika ua ki tu la vengo fo ta ke ngai fata ma ki fo na tu la hange ko ia fa o albewa ko ki ngai me te amne ki no hange ko a pe ku lo ko tsunami ka ko na usi ko ia po nga ko ni ki to la ko ka kai i la va le o ngawe aki ngai po ngawe ta ta ki ngai fo tu ki do venga ngai ma ngai pore o ka o e ke mau inga ia o ngawe ko yo ko fai e po ngawe ko ni ka ki to lai fo ki ko fika be ka ko mau inga ia o fika ki lava me ai o estimating na tol como o me me bek motor ko mo me mai e live stream ko e ka ai mi no sila e ta ko velo ki na tol ana yange ka gen fo mo ki na tol ko me pot ngawe ngai ta va ke o statistika pe o ke ngai pot ngawe ke o na o fela ve o na ko ko ya ki workshop ko ya o e aoni ko e tau ke ko e podium metamini me a foke ne va para la ngita tuange ke ko tau ke a pongpongini
Whatapu ke awhia tua mawhi tau rotoronga. Whatapu atu hene ke tangata ik whaiwhika a whamoromor. Ke tangata iki High Commission na New Zealand. His Excellency Matthew Howell. Whatapu ke tangata ik whaiwhikau. Whatapu hene ki a tokata ofa KETU'U. Mo ene timi. Pea mo tol ko toa pia mo lava mai pongpongin. Whamalo lahi ato mo toko ho mo oa ka mo lava mai. Ke whakahoko ai ki workshop ko ini. A very good morning to you all. Your Excellency, Matthew Howell, the New Zealand High Commissioner, Reverend David Tapueluelo, the facilitators from States New Zealand, SPC in Cook Island, the CEO of the Ministry of Justice, Mrs. Temaleti Manakovi Momoho Paholo, the acting government statistician, SIONE LOLOHEA, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to be your MC for this morning's program. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you to this workshop on population estimation and projections. We appreciate you all for taking time off your busy schedules to join us today. We hope that we'll all learn a lot this week. May I now invite Reverend David Tapueluelo to start today's program with a prayer. David Tapueluelo.
Before saying the opening prayer, with your permission, Your Excellency, sir, and the delegations, I'll read to you from the Gospel of Luke, of Jesus Christ according to Saint Luke, a few verses from Luke 14, commence reading from verse 28. Suppose one of you wants to build a tower. Won't you first sit down and estimate the cost to see if you have enough money to complete it. For if you lay the foundation and are not able to finish it, everyone who sees it will ridicule you, saying, this person began to build and was unable to finish. Or suppose a king is about to go to war against another king. Won't he first sit down and consider whether he is able with 10,000 men to oppose the one coming against him with 20,000? If he is not able, he will send a delegation while the other is still a long way off and ask for terms of peace. Kedau lotu. E doa mafi. Ko mo mai whakahewani ai a whiona. Ko e alifa. Mo o meka aho a whio. Ko e kamataanga. Mo e ngataanga. O ki kai pūri ha mea ki a whiona. Ke a whioa e kamata. O ke a whioa ai whakaosinga. Ki maudolo whahinga e tangata. Ko e ahoni pe o ku mau ilo mo whakapapau i. Ko e ane a whi ko e koto manatu pe. Ko e pongpongi o ku pūri ai amui. Ko whahinohino ki maudolo he wholawhala he pongpongin. Ko e tangata mo whiwhine o ku whakapoto-poto. O ku ne whakafua-fua. Ai whanonga o ku whai. O ku whai e ne whakafua-fua me ngahi mea o ku ne ilo i. Ngahi mea o ku ne whakapapau i. Ke ia whakauta o ku tonu. Ai ngahi mea o tu unuku mai pia mehe kahau. Tangata o ku ne langa ai taua. Whakahino-hino mai ke nofo. O whike whikai. Mo whakafua-fuai. Mo iai ha whakatutu. Ko uhi ka hoko mai ai whatongi ia. O ku tonu hono tataki. O ku tonu hono whakawae. Pea tu e tau au tu loa. Pea kai. Ia ha whakafua-fua lelei. Ia ha whaka-estimate lelei. E kai e hoko ai whakaongosia ko e koto tai aonga. Pe he mo e tui. Teu e whihanga-hangai mo e whiri. E kai o maho inga ke nofo. O whai ha whakafua-fua. O whai ha estimate. O whai ha projection. Ko e uhi, ko e whanonga. Pau kupe he hono whakahino-hino ki mautoro he whola-whola. Me tā ku mahu inga. Ke mau whai pehe hono tau he ngāue ai whanua. Ngāue ai PULE'ANGA. Pe mo ngāue langa hake ai community. Tua mafu mau whaftai ai he pongpongin. Mea hene whakalang langi. E kai komisiona. Kai uma e a ofa. KETU'U pia mo e timi tokoni me inusila. Pehegi he CEO e POTUNGAUE whakamau anga. Ai Office STATISTIKA whakapule'anga. Kau mai kau NGAUE. Ai POTUNGAUE. Pehegi he kau whakafofonga. Me ngahi kup whakau ako toa pēku mau whatata. I he kamataanga o e pongpong koeni. Mau lotu ia lau maari e maun on. Omi moa e lau maari e lea gai e whola. Ke whaia ke whakahino-hino. Ke whaia ke e ako. Ke mau mo whakaivia. Mo whakamawhai. Ai POTUNGAUE STATISTIKA ai PULE'ANGA. Me ngai sino whikau aki. Nau whaiha ngai whakafuafua lelei. Ngai whakafuafua tonu. Ko hui koe NGAUE ai PULE'ANGA. Moene ngahi palani whakalakalaka. Tamai mafu maulot tāpua ki mai ai whakalang langi. Whakafonga ai PULE'ANGA nusilaka umai tokoni ko nau whai he pongpong koen. Pe whoki he ngahi sino FENGAUE'AKI. Tāpua ki mo whakamonu ia. Maulot mawai ma tokta ofa KETU'U. Kau mai timi NGAUE bea mei nusila. Nau mauha workshop lelei. Mauha iwi, mamalohi. Ke whakakakato ai visone u whakatoka. I he whakataha ko mau kamatani. Mau lotu mai CEO e POTUNGAUE FENGAUE'ANGA e lele ke tāpuak pe ke whakamonuia ka uma e ofisa STATISTIKA e PULE'ANGA pe mo e POTUNGAUE ngahi kup FENGAUE'AKI ke tāpuak pe ke whakamonuia tataki a e whatahangan tofa ho mau hala pa ke mua ka mau mui atu mau momo ia ke langi o ai pe a hon fai mau ai pe Jesus Christ mau famo ui amen.
Malo au pito whaiwhikau te vita tapueluelu. May I now call upon the acting government statistician, Mr. SIONE LOLOHEA, to give a welcoming speech. Malo.
Tap mo tua mafi. Padap kia manawi mo hoek pe kia matapure. Padap ki tangtaik whaiwhikau levelen tap te vita tapueluelu na pe kia whaiwhikau. Te kaukore ki u whakato e whatapun I he lea whapitania. I acknowledge the presence of His Excellency Matthew Howell, a guest of honor. Dr. Ofa KETU'U and the team from the Stats New Zealand, Tracy Savage, Kim Dunstan, Kate Anderson, and Alison Caprin from the Pacific community. All government NGOs and government representatives, and all of you, we are here gathered today. Also the media with us this morning, radio and TV Tonga, Tonga Broadcasting 87.5 and Kereta Voice 91.5. Thanks for being here for broadcasting and reach out the information. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, pia kokore ke whaata ka whahokat whahoaan. Malo elelei. It is a great honor for me to make the welcome speech at the beginning of this workshop. On behalf of the Minister responsible for statistics, the Honourable Prime Minister, and the Statistics Department, first of all, we would like to extend our most sincere welcome to the guests of honor and all of you gathered today. Therefore, I wouldn't say the concept and objective of the workshop, because shortly you will be seeing presentation and the rest of the program today and the rest of the week. But today's occasion is the beginning of the work initiated by the former government statistician Dr. William Fifita and Dr. KETU'U on behalf of the Statistics New Zealand, aiming to enhance the capacity and the development of statistical analysis aligned with population estimations. The skills will not only be in the Statistic Office, but also capacity in the national statistical system, such as Ministry of Health, Ministry of Justice, Ministry of Education, and to name a few. Guest of honor, we have representatives from the Statistics Office of Cook Islands, one of the participants for today's workshop, Ms. N. Takmetua. Therefore, the capacity building is not only for the national level, but also at the region. The assistance made by the government of New Zealand in the area of building official statistics of a short-term attachment to State New Zealand in the long and short-term scholarship. We very much appreciate it. Role of statistics is not working in silo, but within the system, and that's why we are here today, because of the national system. For the development of statistics in this country, it is not a single effort. The importance of today is not only the learning of the method of estimation and the projection of the population, but also the use of population estimation for the calculation and the size of population for a year between census period. And for finding SDGs indicators, the strategies for development of statistics, Tonga Strategy for Development Framework, known as TSDF in the country, and also for us to know the demarcation and separation of the roles in producer and the user of statistics in the country. The first Tongan census was undertaken in 1956. And then every decade thereafter until 2006. The 2011 census was the first population census to be conducted after an interval of 5 years. The 2021 census is the third census with 5 years interval. Census 2021 will be based population estimate projection for Tonga for the next population census in 2026. And in the census estimation is for date between two census taking and usually takes the result of the two census into account. Estimates involve the use of data are based on the component of the population change, including migration, fertility, mortality, and the census result. It is important to confirm the availability and accessibility of the administration data, such as migration, fertility, and mortality. Population estimation and projection will reflect in the size of the population, such as number of persons in the household, school enrollment, age group, for example, like 5-year age group, and the calculation of population size of the males and females. Finally, I also extend my sincere thanks to the guests of honor. Your presence at this event is very much appreciated. We deeply acknowledge the technical assistance from the New Zealand states and the Pacific community, and all of you who are gathered here for this occasion and the rest of the week. Malo apito.
Malo Sione. Proceeding with today's program, and without further ado, I would like to invite our honorable guest of honor for this morning, His Excellency Matthew Howell, the New Zealand High Commissioner, to deliver the opening remarks. Please welcome His Excellency.
Reverend and Acting Government Statistician, distinguished guests, representatives from the governments of Tonga and the Cook Islands, and of course New Zealand. E ngā mana, e ngā reo, e ngā iwi o te motu, e ngā tangata whenua o tēnei rohi, rā rangatira mā, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa, malo elele. Now I'm going to start with an admission. I am not here because of my statistical skills. I passed sixth form statistics, but I think that may have been a clerical error or possibly divine intervention. Despite my lack of qualifications, I will forge on. I just want to briefly acknowledge who is here with us today and what has brought us together. Let me start by acknowledging the representatives from across the Government of Tonga. It's lovely to see a range of agencies here. It speaks to both the wide interest in this topic, but also its importance. I'm also very happy to have with us the Statistics New Zealand team. I think at last count we had 40 New Zealand agencies, NZ Inc. organisations working in Tonga, which is just fantastic. I'm sure she wouldn't want me to single her out, but I'm just going to talk briefly about AFUHA. Of course, she is the Program Manager for Pacific Statistics Support, which is hard to say. But more than that, she's also a proud daughter of a wa'u. So it's always fantastic, I think, when we can bring Tonga New Zealanders back and share some of that and heighten and really highlight the profound connections between our countries. So, malo opito, ofa. I'm also very happy tonight that we have SPC with us. SPC and Aotearoa are proud partners in a range of areas, not least statistics. And Tonga, of course, will soon host the SPC Polynesia Hub. So it's both lovely to have you here, but it's also exciting that we're going to see more of you. So welcome. And lastly, sorry, it was our last minute edition, but the Cook Islands is also represented here, and I think that's a fantastic thing. I think it speaks both to the whanangatanga, the kind of connections that we all have across the Pacific, but it also speaks to the possibilities and the potential for this workshop. This is the first, but it may not be the last place that this is run, so it's great to have that connection in the room. So kia ora ana. Now, as to why I'm here, the New Zealand Aid Programme is supporting this. We fund the partnership between statistics, between SPC and the Tonga Stats Office. This workshop is just one of the many activities that Stats New Zealand is delivering across the Pacific to build capacity. I'm going to leave the technicalities of that to others, but I will say that there is clear value in producing official population estimates and projections, and that's why Aotearoa is supporting this work. We recognise the importance of statistics, not just as an end in themselves, but as a way to understand the world. And of course, a clearer understanding of Tonga's population and demographic trends will assist across government decision-making, understanding both where Tonga is and where it's heading. New Zealand has some self-interest here too. Our countries are very tightly interwoven, but no more so than when it comes to the flow of people. So understanding those population trends will help us in understanding circular and permanent migration, seasonal labour mobility, outsourcing and insourcing labour. It will also help us in understanding where social and infrastructure investment will be needed. So I'm looking forward to the downstream product of this workshop and the knowledge that you will all be developing and sharing with the world. In finishing, I should say that I have a recurring nightmare about a maths exam, and I think that today's workshop may feed into that nightmare now. So I'm glad that I'm only here for the niceties, but I hope that I've conveyed just how supportive we are, how important this work is, but also just how exciting it is that this isn't just for Tonga, but it is a pilot for the rest of the region. So I'd like to wish you a very successful workshop. Ngā mihi nui, malo o pitu.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for the wonderful remarks. Malo opito. Kestofona, ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite Dr. Ofa KETU'U from Stats New Zealand to give us a brief background of the workshop and also an introduction of the team. Malo, Dr. KETU'U.
Ko kole ke u houwhanga I he ngai whakatapu ko tō pēko o si hono AFUHA'AMANGO. Te u tukuheni ha whakatapu mawahe ki ha mohe ofo. Pea pehe ki he ha ataki lotu o I whonua. E ki pale mia ka koe minista ia ai POTUNGAUE STATISTIKA a Tonga. Pea pehe foki ki he whakawafi whakalangilangi o I ahoni. Ai hai komisiona nusila ki Tonga. Howell, Matthew Howell, pehe foki ki he CEO o POTUNGAUE Justice, ka umaa ai Acting Government Statistician, pehe ki he tangata eki FENGAUE, te Reverend David Tapueluelu, pehe ki he kotoa o KETU'U, pea moe kau whakafofonga o tau ihen he pongpongini, ke whakahoko ai workshop ko eni I he Population Estimates and projection for Tonga. Whakamole pe kai whakaatamua ke whakahoko ai ki lea ko eni I he lea whakapiritania, ko uhi pe ko kau whakawhi o ahoni. Firstly, I would like to thank Your Excellency Matthew Howard, the New Zealand High Commissioner to Tonga, for opening this workshop on population estimates and projection for Tonga. I also want to thank the Reverend Minister Devita Tapueluelu for blessing this workshop this morning. I think you have set a very high note and a definition that it kind of made me think you have really given the definition of what estimate is. Whakafuofua. That is exactly what the Bible verse that he took this morning. The foundation for any planning, for any work that the country does, start from estimates. Whakafuofua. And I want to thank you. I think you have set the keynote, the keyword for this week. So thank you, Reverend. On behalf of Statistics New Zealand, the government statistician of New Zealand, and the entire team in New Zealand are behind us today to be here in Tonga. I have to say that today is exactly 2 years and 7 months from when I first started with the former government statistician, Dr. Viliami Fifita, about this workshop. He wrote to me in New Zealand and said, the Prime Minister of Tonga is very keen to understand the movement, the population of Tonga, the total population. And I need this very urgently offer. And I said, yes, Stats New Zealand will do that, but it was during COVID-19. So we really cannot move because of the restriction on travel, and also staff just cannot travel. And today, just being here is quite an achievement on its own. Even on Saturday night, I was sitting there and midday, I got here, but the facilitators were not here yet. And as you all know, New Zealand was going through right now the cyclone is hitting New Zealand, but on Saturday, the warning was already in place. So I was just counting the hours that the flight will get here from New Zealand, all the way from Christchurch, and from SPC, Alison, who was in Sydney at the time. And I'm very delighted, and I thank God that He made it possible this morning. And I'm very, very proud that we make it this time. 2 years and 7 months, we are finally here in NUKU'ALOFA, Your Excellency, so we can have this workshop this week. I think the High Commissioner has already mentioned that this is part of Statistics New Zealand technical support to the Pacific region, not just Tonga, not because I'm a Tongan, it's the entire Pacific region. Statistics New Zealand is very, very strong in providing this type of technical support. We provide workshops like this. We also provide regional workshops where we bring all the member countries to either Noumea or a location that's central to all the region. We also bring staff from the Pacific National States Office for an attachment in New Zealand. Even some of the government statisticians in the region have come to New Zealand through this attachment. We have a number of you sitting here today who have come to Stats New Zealand under this attachment, and I'm very proud. And that's the main purpose of this program, is to build capacity and capability on statistics among the Pacific statisticians in the region. That's the whole purpose of this program, and we continue to do that, and we want to push ahead because the need for statistics is really increasing every day. I believe the acting government statistician, who is a demographer himself, has already touched on the purpose of this workshop this week. But there are a few things that I just want to reiterate. This skill and technique of population estimates is really needed, especially when census is held every 5 years. But in between that period, the leaders need to understand the movement, the growth, the migration, and the mobility of the population of a country. And this workshop is very much to give that skill and that technique for Tongan statisticians to be able to deliver this estimate here in Tonga. Before, we used to rely on SPC and other development partners to deliver this kind of estimates. But the ultimate objective of this workshop is that we develop local statisticians that can deliver that estimate here in Tonga. And I think it's something that we are really looking forward for at the end of this workshop. We also understand that in recent years and in the current decade, we have COVID-19, we have the eruption, we have in New Zealand, we have the cyclone, a lot of big events that are happening from between census that can really impact the movement, the location, and the number of people in a country. And so it's very important to make this estimate happen on a year-to-year basis. I was just speaking to the government statistician, acting government statistician, before we came in, and he was asking for Ministry of Education, because at the beginning of every year, they use the estimates to determine the role, the enrollment, and which primary school is growing and which primary school is declining. This is the value of an estimate being available in the country. To conduct a population estimate and projection, we need data to form the basis for the estimation. And the three core data sets that are needed: the census, the population census data, vital statistics, and the migration data. And that's why it's important that to see the CEO for the Justice Department here today. I believe the Ministry of Health, Education, and other part of the government who are here, and they are the ones that bring the data to statistics to form the basis for this estimate and projection. And I really want to acknowledge that partnership is quite important. Statistics Tonga cannot undertake the estimates without the support of the different ministries who hold this type of data on a day-to-day basis. As the High Commissioner has already acknowledged, this workshop is a partnership. And we always try, because of the limited resource that we have, we always look to who else among the development partners are doing the same work in the region. And usually we go to SPC, and we are very proud to have one of their own, very own demographer with us this morning, Alison. But also we have here from Cook Island and Tangi Metua. Cook Island is one of the few in the region that does their own population estimate. And I think it's something we have to acknowledge. So this workshop today is a partnership between Stats New Zealand, SPC, Tonga State's Office, Cook Island, and of course, AMFED, who has fully funded this workshop and the program of Stats New Zealand. Before I close, I would very much like to introduce the team who have come from New Zealand and SPC and is with us this morning to conduct this workshop. Firstly, and as I call, I would kindly ask that you just stand up and so that everybody know. I think we have Tonga, and myself as a Tongan, we are very pleased that you make it to Tonga this morning. Kim Tansken. Kim, he is a senior insight analyst from Stats New Zealand, and he has worked in Stats New Zealand for many, many years, and he's been doing this work for New Zealand, population estimates and projection for many years. So he brings with him a lot of wealth of knowledge and experience. But one thing that stuck my mind, Kim told me on Sunday that he was sent to Samoa, a request by the Samoan government to do the boundary for the country. And one thing that he didn't forget was that the Prime Minister asked him, how can we move the boundary from my constituency because the population there is declining? And Kim said, I don't know whether they used it, but he asked for it. So be careful, Kim, what you might be asked to do when you're here. But that's something that this is the skill that they can bring, and the work, the partnership that we have, because there are skills that they have that we don't have in the region. Thank you, Kim. Yeah. I also have Dr. Catherine Anderson. Catherine is a statistical and data analyst from Stats New Zealand and is also working on population estimate and projection team in New Zealand. She's recently graduated with a doctorate and has worked at Stats New Zealand for almost a year now. And when we look around for who can come, Catherine put up her hand. So for her, this is quite a development opportunity for her as well. So thank you, Kat. And then we also have Miss Tracy Savage. Again, she's a senior design analyst. If you notice, I have got a lot of methodologists in this team here this morning. But Tracy has got this passion about Pacific program. Even before she worked for the program. So when we formed the Pacific data capability in Stats New Zealand, Tracy put up her hand and became the first full-time staff in the program. But currently she's been behind the scene coordinating this workshop with Lupe, but on a day-to-day basis, Tracy is more or less the go-to person in the Pacific program, and with her sampling design skill, she's also supporting SPC, but also the country, especially Cook Island, Tokelau, and Niue, when it comes to survey sampling. Thank you, Tracy. We also have Alison Colbert from SPC. I think Alison is not new to any of you here in the region. Alison, yeah, that's right. So Alison has been with SPC for over 6 years now, and initially she came from Australia as a demographer, but now she's moved on to the SDG advisor, which is quite a big task. But when we look for somebody from SPC to help, to help coordinate and also to facilitate the workshop, Alison agreed to come all the way from another meeting and then transit via Australia to Tonga to support us today and this week. So thank you very much, Alison. And then we also have Anne Tangimetua from Cook Island. Anne is also the daughter of the government statistician of Cook Island, but she's also the one who does the estimates, population estimates and estimates for Cook Island. So we are going to learn a lot from Anne this week, just how a small NSO can do estimates on their own. And I think that's an encouragement for Tonga. I think you have got many demographers, you have got a lot of graduate, highly qualified statisticians, but Cook Island has managed to deliver their own in-house population estimate. So thank you, Anne. And finally, we have Lupe. Lupe Tupo from Stats Tonga. I have to acknowledge, please, Lupe. She is the head of the principal in the population and social statistics, but she also has been behind the scene in getting this workshop to where it is today. So thank you very much, Lupe. On behalf of the Stats Tonga, you have been very instrumental. And also Lupe keep telling us, make sure it's relevant for Tonga, make sure you tailor it for Tonga. And that's really good. It's very important that at the end, we come with something that's relevant for the country and for the States Office Tonga. And finally, myself, I think the High Commissioner has rightly said I hail from the island of Vava'u, LOLOHEA, and I'm a very proud Vava'u, but migrated to New Zealand in 2003 for, especially, it was very much for my children's education. But while in New Zealand, I have been with Statistics New Zealand most of my time in New Zealand. And in between, I moved to SPC as the head of the statistics division at SPC, then went back to New Zealand and also managed this program. So I look after the Pacific program at Stats New Zealand. So with that, I'm not a facilitator, but I'm here to make sure that the rest goes well. And also, if anyone falls sick, we make sure we know where to go. With that, I just want to thank you again, Your Excellency, for availing yourself this morning, to the Reverend Minister Tevita, and to all the staff who are here today with us. We feel like it's worth our coming to see many of you here today, willing to understand and study population estimates and projection. With that, mahalo au pito.
Mahalo, Dr. KETU'U. May I now invite Mele Taumopeau, Assistant Government Statistician, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Malola te. Ko kole atu pege hu whangata ngai whakatapu ko osio no awhaki. Kai whaipe whakamalo he lea whakapapalangi so everybody can enjoy. Just to begin with, everyone, good morning. Thank you is a phrase that cannot be seen or touched. It can only be felt. So on behalf of the Tonga Statistics Department, I am given the privilege to propose a vote of thanks in hopes that everyone here would feel how appreciative we are for not only today's opening, but for this whole week's workshop. Firstly, I'd like to thank our Heavenly Father, who has loved and led us all in everything we do, and whose guidance we continue to follow. I, on behalf of the Stats Department, convey deep regards and hearty thanks to our guest of honor, His Excellency Matthew Howell, for his presence and continued support of our statistical work, and along with him, the MFAT as well. I also am thankful to the good Reverend Devita Tapueluelu for ensuring that God is in our presence always, and also for letting us know that even in the Bible, statistics is present. At this juncture, I'd like to name and thank our visiting training facilitators, of whose skills and know-how our training participants will have the pleasure of soaking in all that knowledge in the next few days. To Dr. Ofa KETU'U and her Statistics New Zealand team, Kim Dunstan, Tracy Savage, Dr. Kat Anderson, congratulations, by the way, and also to Miss Alison Kalpin of FPC, and to Anne Tangi Metua, who is not only the government statistician's daughter, but who's also doing this work in Cooks. Thank you for being here and sharing with us in the next couple of days how we can make our population estimates and projections work. My sincere thanks to our distinguished guests from our sister brother ministries, agencies, and departments, to Ministry of Justice, CEO, to Ministry of Health, to the Ministry of Education, and to the Customs Department, to the Tonga Airports Limited, and to everybody whose ministry I haven't named. We appreciate you. Without your data and information, all this important statistical work will not be possible. I'd like to take this opportunity to also acknowledge and thank those that toiled in the background. To the acting government statistician, Mr. SIONE LOLOHEA, for your leadership and quick, decisive solutions. To Ms. Lupe Tupo and all the teammates she has assembled, forcefully or not, to look into logistics, catering, and all that good stuff nobody wants to think about. Gang, if time is money, then the total amount of time you have contributed in thinking about this training, in working to make this training happen, and all that good stuff, I think we would have accumulated enough money to do another census. So thank you all. And in conclusion, every single one of you is part of our national statistical system. Every single one of you have contributed worthily to this endeavor. So thanks to all of you for making this event successful. And have a wonderful day and enjoy the population projection and estimation workshop. Malo.
Malo mele. Thank you all for today's program. May I invite Reverend Devita Tapueluelu to close up this morning's program with a prayer. Malo.
Ke talotu. E doa mafi. Mau whawhitai atu I he mau ausia e whakausinga o e proklama whakaamani. Mau whakamalo ko hui koe ngāhi lea lelei ke whakamaapo opo aki ki mau tolu ko hui koe hala whanonga o e wike mohono ngāhi whatongi a. Pe mau whawhitai whoki. E mau ilo whakapapau, e kau ai a Fiona, pe kai he ho mau whono ngā. Ka te mau hawe me ngāi whaingata a, pe mau I kuna noa, I he tokoni mai hao a whio. Ko ia tāpok mai ai ki whakawhonga, whakapuleanga o e puleanga nusila, ai komisiona, pe he ki he kau me mipo katoa pe o I whakataha ngani, ofa pe mo time nusila pe he ke POTUNGAUE STATISTIKA pe he ke whaafonga ngai POTUNGAUE ai whaafonga pe me Cook Island pe mo nau tol ko to pe mau kau ke tāpuak pe whamono ia e koen pe he mau lotu mo moiha ke te koe ai alunga ai wike O kore katoa eni, I kres ai e kipe mo whai o tua. Pehela mare man o ni a whia mo mautolo o na hili kai whai peo tangata. Amen.
Katoia ai programa koe kono tamoki I.
Now we can all
O kamata koia ai workshop wiki taha koe o whaoko. I o tere TANO'A I NUKU'ALOFA I loki whiwhia. Ngai rea koe whakalere ni e POTUNGAUE sisika a Tonga. Whalahama e POTUNGAUE sisika koe a Nusila. Pepe hoki SPC. Pe mungina tō katoa ngai POTUNGAUE FENGAUE'AKI Moimoi POTUNGAUE ako. Pepe hoki POTUNGAUE whamaonga. Kala wai e programa e popoin whatang ni aurere atu I he walpitu poini ma pepe ki he live stream koe Broadcom FM broadcasting. Ka wai whatangia me tawaki whaitaha Aripate Junior Kisina website Junior Lea tupo Lea e walpitu poini ma pesake whamukioa kwa sa Slovaka mumea.